Hey guys, today's video is about deforestation in India. Many causes are deforestation in India. Deforestation impacts flora and fauna. It is snatching in away habitats, animals and creatures. Predators and prey suffer for meals. It impacts vegetation, shrubs, grasses, herbs. It creates between animals and human beings. It impacts many species nearly and many are extinct. It imbalances nature, eventually impacting in layer ecosystem. Desertification. It means decreasing the number of fertilized lands in deserts. It impacts flora and fauna. It impacts the growth. It is challenging human beings, making suffer. It impacts creature. It makes suffer. It makes climate change. Thank you guys for watching this video. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you.